KeyCreator has an extensive symbols library covering the following areas: electrical, flowchart, fluid power, piping, and sheet metal. Select a category and a selection of subcategories appears. The subcategories are also broken down further where there are major logical subdivisions. When we select an item, a preview of the symbol appears in the dialog box. If we click on the Options button at the bottom of the dialog box, we get multiple options for handling the imported symbol. Things like animate placement and animate rotation are fantastic for working with the symbols. So let's work with an actual file, a new file in View 1 with C-plane equal to 1. Let's click on the File pull-down menu. Now we're going to click on Import and then KeyCreator Files. We'll navigate to the CKD folder in KeyCreator. Once we're there, we'll navigate further through Samples and then Symbols. Now let's click on the Electrical category and then on Semiconductor. And we'll scroll down and select an item. When we do that, the preview picture appears in the top right corner of the dialog box. If we click on the Options button at the bottom of the dialog box, we'll see that we get all of the options that we normally use when we're importing what we used to call patterns in our software. So we can animate placement, animate rotation. Let's use 90. That's kind of similar what you'll do when you're working with a schematic. We'll click on Open, and there's the symbol. We place the symbol. Now because we had animate rotation on, it's now letting us rotate at 90 degrees. We click to accept that and freeze that in place. So let's click on File, Import, KeyCreator Files again. This time let's back navigate in the symbols library. We'll go over to a different area. Let's pick fluid power. Go into valves and select the valve. We'll use the same options. We'll click on Open. You see the preview up in the top there, and then we'll place the valve. So it's literally that simple. Really easy to work with. Here we're rotating again and snapping it in place. So let's recap. KeyCreator has an extensive symbols library covering the following areas: electrical, flowchart, fluid power, piping, and sheet metal. We selected a category and a selection of subcategories appeared. The subcategories were also broken down further where there were major logical subdivisions. When we selected an item, a preview of the symbol appeared in the dialog box. We clicked on the Options button at the bottom of the dialog box to get multiple options for handling the imported symbol, just like you do when you're importing one file into another file generally in KeyCreator.